Hey, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, it's going to be digging day 5, I believe, and I'm going to work on getting a stockpile dug out. I won't be able to remove any dirt today because it's supposed to rain all day, but I'm going to dig out this entire last quadrant, where whatever it is, this last little section. I'm going to try to get a huge stockpile dug out, and I'm going to try to get these big concrete blocks moved, or dig a space out for them to just keep them in the ground, or possibly get them out of here. They're really heavy, so we'll see about that. I might need to, when I'm stockpiling, I might need to dig a little ramp, make a little ramp to get it out of here on. And then I might do a little bit of cleaning up a little bit along the edges, get all these roots and the last little bit of insulation and stuff, get it out of here. So I'm just going to kind of work on that today, and so there definitely will be a day 6 of digging and removing dirt, but this should be pretty much it, apart from digging I'll have to do when I'm putting in my posts and beams. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and as soon as the video is over, go check out some of the other content. So let's get into the clip. Everybody, that one's gonna do it for today's video. I got that section clear, dug out, and I got it stockpiled behind me. And so on a non-rainy day, I'll get in here and start bucketing up that dirt and getting it dumped out in the land. But if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to follow along on the journey, we got tons of content, past, present, and we're in the future. Just gonna keep posting. So if you enjoy this kind of transformation videos and just enjoying the journey that we're going through and want to live vicariously through me, then you're in the right place. So like, share, and subscribe. Put your questions in the comment section. Now go check out some of the other content. Appreciate it, everybody. Bigfoot out.